Good news, maybe. It might be on the way for hemp growers in California. Governor Jerry Brown has signed a historic law that will legalize the cultivation of industrial hemp in the state. However, whether or not this bill will actually be turned into law, acted upon, that all depends on approval from the federal government. So, Arthur, what exactly would the implementation of this bill mean, and how likely do you think it is that the feds will say, go ahead?
They can pass this bill. Kentucky passed a industrial hemp legalization bill, but it's really still up to the federal government, and you never know what they'll do if you try to defy them. They could prosecute people in your state. And it's not for any good reason. It's because the federal government pretends it can't differentiate one harmless plant from another. The only reason hemp is not legal for cultivation is that it's a cousin of marijuana. You can't get high off hemp, but the government says we can't tell the difference between hemp and pot, so no hemp, even though it's something that's great for things like rope, for instance, and other industrial applications. So it's sort of a senseless situation, even though the states are passing laws, and even though there is support in Congress among Republicans for changing the federal law, it doesn't seem like that's going to be part of any forthcoming grand bargain this year.
Yeah, no, I mean, it's really absurd and ridiculous, and we import hemp products at this point. There's a lot of money to be made out of this, and a lot of farmers say that it negatively impacts them as well.